tornado warning for the following counties in Florida: Brevard and Indian River. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for eastern Indian River County in east central Florida, southeastern Brevard County in east central Florida, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Winter Beach, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sebastian, Indian River shores, and Sebastian Highlands around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sebastian Inlet and Mico around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Orchid. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.